Hello everyone, let's do our weekly reading here. I also did a weekly underneath my YouTube channel, but we definitely need to get something a little bit more current for you guys. So let me know if you enjoy these readings when you watch them. I would love to hear, especially if you're watching them on the replay. All right, so let's see what comes through for the 18th. First thing that comes up is you are memorizing. You are memorizing. So to me, that's kind of like someone who is admiring somebody else, somebody who's looking at someone else in a positive light. So first things first is it's great that you're doing that, but I'm also getting for us to recognize our own talents, our own gifts, the beautiful things about ourselves. We often will forget ourselves along the way. So that's one thing. I'm also getting that there's a new chapter coming in, so make sure that you're taking more time for, again, yourself to open up like a new book, like if it's related to your children, something like that. I'm getting like even open up a new book for your children, something new, something different. I'm also feeling like this admiration piece is more like love related too. It feels like you're looking at like your love life in a more positive way as well. If you are grieving at all this week or on Monday, what I'm getting is just to take a little bit more time to look deeper within. All right, so let's go into the 19th to the 21st. Another thing that's hopping in here is I'm seeing like a little baby bunny, something like that. So that represents fertility. So this could literally be fertility. This could also be new challenges in your life as well. So maybe you're hesitant to do something, maybe you're holding back on something, but what I'm getting is like there's a nudge to go forward, but just inch your way with it. Okay, somebody needs to hear that one. The other thing that's coming through is there's some upkeep as well. There are some things that you need to focus on that maybe you just have been neglecting. Again, this could be your self-care as well. I'm also hearing Pineapple Express. That might mean something to you. To me, it's about, I'm getting like lightheartedness. Jogging as well could be really great for your heart health, for your mind, for your mental health as well. And then I'm also feeling like loved ones that have passed or crossed over. This is a great week to, if you're feeling like unsettled about that, like just settle into, allowing these people to feel at peace, or for you to feel at peace in your heart as well. If you do want a mediumship reading, feel free to connect with me. I'm starting those up this week. They're 30 minutes for $60 Canadian, which is great. So just reach out to me if you want one of those. I'm also getting self-love. So we're hearing that a lot in this reading so far. It's about you this week. There's a lot of like rest that's needed as well. So again, take time to, I'm just getting like to go deeper within. So the other thing that's coming up here, 22nd to 29th even of September, we've got, some illness definitely creeping in. So like that could mean so many different things in relation to our health. So I'm hearing that the meeting will be successful as well. I'm feeling like there is a lot of talk around you as well, so that could also be like internal chatter as well. So make sure that you're working through your thoughts, your thought process. So talk it out, write it out. Writing somebody a nice handwritten letter might be helpful as well. And I'm hearing kindred spirits, so you might be meeting a spirit guide, a spirit animal, a love partner this week as well. So pay attention to those signs and symbols that you're getting along the way. I feel like people are going to be dropping dimes, picking up dimes, and again, this could be related to your angels or spirit guides telling you that everything is okay, you're on the right track. But again, just pay more attention. Money wise, it does feel like it's going to be an okay week for money. It feels like if you're building a platform or something for yourself at this time, a foundation, there will be gifts of gold coming to you as a result of that. So just stay tuned for more readings, and we'll see you today at 1:15 if you're catching this on Monday. Bye for now.